Hello everyone, it's Terry and welcome to my channel. Welcome back. And this is an unboxing that of box of orchids that I received today that were ordered way before the tragedy that I have been reporting. So I'm just going to start on it and we will check it all out. Got my scissors here and I'm just going to turn it off and open it up. As I already said, these are from eBay seller BJ Orchids, but it is Bernard Lava, Miami, Florida, who has beautiful, beautiful stuff. So he did include this heat pack, and this is the orchid, really nice sized plant. It is, check that out, Trichocentrum hybrid. It says Johnsianum times Josephine. This is a mule ear, no, rat tail. Formerly an Oncidium type. Here's another. Now I did order these because of the Dendrobiums, and I found another that I wanted. I have got some of these before, but I found more hybrids that I had to have, and this is Dendrobium Taurinum times Lasianthera. Let me see if I can get this to focus a bit. Sort of. Yeah, there we go. Earth Shade, Red Plum, Twisted. Okay. And Dendrobium, of course. And this one is Nindy. Now I did have a Nindy once. Antelope, these are all antelopes. And Nindy is a species. Twisted with a blue lip. Okay, now I thought I got a couple more, but I sure don't see them. But anyway, maybe there's another box somewhere, and I hope that you are hearing me. But that's my haul as it is right now. Nindy, that cross, and then that Trichocentrum. Again, BL. Thanks for watching. As always, enjoy your orchids.